SMS text message is a very common factor used for CyberArk MFA. However, some organizations or users may not want to expose their mobile number to the whole organization through the global address list. In this video, I'll show you how to hide the mobile number from the global address list by storing the mobile number in two alternate locations and still be able to use SMS for CyberArk MFA. We'll start with an Active Directory user that doesn't have their mobile number configured for MFA yet. First thing we want to do is go to Authentication under Settings, Security Settings, click Add under Additional Attributes for MFA, click on the pull-down menu. The top four options are alternate Active Directory attributes that we can use to store the user's telephone, email, or mobile number without exposing it on the global address list. We'll select Other Mobile. For type, we'll select Mobile Phone so we can use it for SMS. Click Add, then click Save. Next, we'll go to the policy that applies to the user. Go to User Security Policies, User Account Settings, then look for Prompt User to set up mobile number on login and select Yes. By default, CyberArk stores the mobile number in the mobile attribute in Active Directory. Replace this value with the alternate Active Directory attribute we selected in the earlier setting. Be sure to enter the exact case and spelling of the attribute we selected. Then click Save. This last setting is not required, but by prompting the user to enter their mobile number at next login, we can help assure the user knows where to save their mobile number for MFA. Let's test this out. Before we add the user's mobile number, let's check to verify that all the telephone number fields, including the alternate Active Directory attribute we selected, are blank. We'll log into the user portal as our test user Belf. Since this user doesn't have an MFA factor configured yet, we've allowed this user to log in with only their password until their MFA factor has been set up. Once the user logs in, they're prompted to enter their mobile number through a wizard. The user will be prompted to enter their Active Directory password in order to verify their self-permissions to be allowed to save their mobile number in Active Directory. We'll then switch to Active Directory to verify the mobile number has not been saved into the default mobile number field, but saved into the alternate attribute we selected earlier. This number will not be displayed in the global address list. When we test for the MFA prompt, we now see the text message being sent to the number that we saved into Active Directory. The second location we can store our mobile number is the custom additional attribute in CyberArk. Additional attributes can be used by both AD and non-AD users. To use additional attributes, we'll go to Customization, Additional Attributes, and click Add to create a new custom attribute. Mobile numbers stored in additional attributes will not appear in the global address list. Make sure there's an underscore in the name of the custom attribute that we're creating. For type, select Text. We'll select User Editable to enable users to enter and modify their mobile numbers themselves. Then go to Authentication, Security Settings, click Add, select the new custom attribute we just created, select Mobile Phone for type, then click Add, and click Save. Optionally, we can modify the policy that affects the users. Go to User Security Policies, User Account Settings, and select a new custom attribute as a location to store mobile numbers when prompting users who haven't configured their mobile numbers yet. Click Save. Another way to save the mobile number into the new attribute is to go to the user portal, go to Account, Personal Profile, scroll down to Additional Attributes, and enter the mobile number. And click Save. When we test for the MFA prompt, we now see both the numbers we saved in Active Directory and in additional attributes as available options for SMS MFA. In summary, mobile numbers for SMS text message can be saved in two alternate locations without exposing the mobile numbers to other users within the organization. First, we configured an alternate Active Directory attribute. Then second, we created a custom attribute in CyberArk that can be used by both Active Directory users and non-Active Directory users. We hope this video has been helpful, and thanks for watching.